Hi students, this session I would like to discuss some problems by using equations of motion. So we know that we have three equations of motion. The first one, v equal to u plus at, the relation between velocity and acceleration. Second one, s equal to ut plus half at square. This is the distance acceleration relation. Third, v square minus u square equal to 2as. By using these three equations of motion, we can relate or we may find either velocity or final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, distance. So it depends upon the situation what we face. So let us see the first problem. Let me take a very simple problem. So this is the problem. The problem gives a bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired, that is the first one, and the second one, the distance traveled. So whenever you read the problem, so try to get what the values are given. So here the given values are, one is uniform acceleration, it means acceleration value is given and time is given. Sometimes the values can't see, but we can see a word at here, that is the bus starting from rest. So if the bus is at rest, it is also gives certain value. So if I write that given to me, so given that bus is at rest, bus is at rest, it means initial velocity or initial speed, both are the same. When it is moving in same direction, I can take u equal to 0, and they are giving uniform acceleration. I will take that as acceleration a equal to 0.1 meter per second square, and time t equal to, they given 2 minutes. We will convert that in terms of seconds. 2 times 60 seconds, which equal to 120 second, the time. So these are the three values, means initial velocity and acceleration and time. So that is the three values we got from the problem. So what we need to figure it out? We need to find the speed. So that I can call as final velocity. See the problem, the bus is at rest. Initially the bus is at rest. Now it is moving with uniform acceleration for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, what is the bus velocity? That we need to find it out. So to find the speed, I will use by first equation of motion. What is first equation of motion? From first equation of motion, I can write v equal to u plus at So here V means final velocity I need to find. To find that V equal to, you can substitute the given values. U value equal to 0 plus acceleration value 0.1 meter per second square times t equal to 120 second. So you can cut this seconds in seconds square, and V equal to 0.1 times 120 meter per second. If you can multiply this number, you can get V equal to 12 meter per second. So this is the value we need to find. So I can write that value at here by using brown color. So V equal to 12 meter per second. So this is the simplest problem. Now I need to find the second problem in the given. So that is the distance traveled. So how much the bus traveled from rest with an acceleration 0.1 meter per second for 2 minutes. To solve the B part in the question, find the distance. So the B part is find the distance traveled. Find the distance traveled. So distance we are representing S. Now for that, by using third equation of motion, that is third equation of motion, if you can write V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Now here, do I know U value? Yeah, U value is given as 0, and A and V, yeah, I found out just now V value, figure it out. Here the V is given 12 meter per second, not given, we got it by solving. And acceleration, the value is given, so you substitute those all values at here. So V, so 12 meter per second square minus U value 0 square equal to 2 times acceleration 0.1 meter per second square times S. So this is the S value I need to find. Okay, so this is separately I can highlight. Now if we can multiply this, 12 square means 144 meters square per second square, 0 square, the value equal to 0. On this side you can get 2 times 0.1 denominator meter per second square. So meter per second square gets cancelled. Sorry, here I need to mention as S. So that's we need to find out. Now second square gets cancelled, and the 2 in 144 72 times, and meters in meter square 1 time gets cancelled. So the final value, if I write, it is 72 meters equal to 0.1 times S. Now if we can do further calculation, that is 72 upon 0.1 meter equal to S. If you can do that, it will become 720 meters equal to S. So what is the S here? S is the distance traveled. The distance traveled. So that value I got, S equal to 720 meter. So this is the answer for the second part in the question. So if I write that at here, the distance traveled equal to 720 meter. So this is the way to solve the problems by using equations of motions. So we will see different models so we can get better understanding.